The future is now. The most advanced electric cars of 2023. Welcome to Top Tech, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge vehicles. Today, we invite you to dive into the electrifying world of electric cars and join us as we explore the groundbreaking advancements awaiting us in 2023. In this fast-paced journey, we'll uncover the exciting developments that are revolutionizing the electric car landscape. Today, we'll take you through the most advanced electric cars of 2023, showcasing how AI seamlessly integrates into every aspect of the driving experience. The rapid evolution of electric cars. The world of electric cars is experiencing an unprecedented pace of evolution in 2023. It's not just about the introduction of new models, it's about the integration of groundbreaking technologies that are reshaping the driving experience as we know it. From enhanced performance to extended range, electric cars are pushing the boundaries of what is possible on the road. In 2023, the fusion of AI and electric cars is propelling us into a new era of transportation. The possibilities are boundless, and we can only imagine what the future holds as AI continues to evolve and shake the electric car landscape. Get ready to witness the incredible advancements and embrace the electrifying world of AI-powered electric cars in 2023. Top 5 most advanced electric cars of 2023. Tesla Model Y. Let's start our exploration of the most advanced electric cars of 2023 with the Tesla Model Y, a true pioneer in the field. Tesla has long been renowned for its groundbreaking innovations, and the Model Y is no exception. What sets Tesla apart is its seamless integration of artificial intelligence, AI, throughout the driving experience, making it a leader in the industry. The Tesla Model Y, a pioneer in the electric car industry, stands out for its seamless integration of artificial intelligence, AI. From battery management to autopilot capabilities, the vehicle continuously analyzes data and makes intelligent decisions for an enhanced driving experience. One of the Model Y's notable features is its AI-powered battery management system, which distributes power intelligently to maximize range and improve overall performance. Additionally, the vehicle's autopilot feature utilizes a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate highways, change lanes, and even park itself. Continuously learning from real-world driving data, the AI-driven autopilot system enhances safety for both the driver and passengers. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is a symbol of innovation in the world of electric cars, with its captivating blend of style and cutting-edge technology. In 2023, Ford has harnessed the power of smart technology to create a driving experience that is not only safer, but also more enjoyable for Mustang enthusiasts and electric car enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Mustang Mach-E is its advanced suite of smart technologies designed to enhance safety on the road. These include AI-driven systems that monitor the vehicle's surroundings, detect potential hazards, and provide proactive alerts to the driver. With features like adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, the Mach-E's intelligent driver assistance systems work in tandem with the driver to ensure a safer and more comfortable driving experience. These include a seamless integration with smartphones, voice recognition technology for hands-free control, and a smart navigation system that optimizes routes based on real-time traffic data. Volkswagen ID4. The Volkswagen ID4 is a prime example of how AI technologies can revolutionize the efficiency and driving experience of an electric car, particularly in urban environments. With its seamless integration of AI, the ID4 stands out as a practical and eco-friendly choice for city drivers in 2023. AI plays a crucial role in optimizing the ID4's efficiency, thanks to its energy management system. By constantly analyzing various factors and adapting to changing conditions, the vehicle maximizes its range and minimizes charging stops, providing a smooth and eco-friendly driving experience in urban settings. Moreover, the ID4's intelligent driver assistance system utilizes AI algorithms to enhance safety and convenience, making it easier for drivers to navigate city streets. Audi e-tron GT. In 2023, Audi seamlessly integrated AI technologies into the e-tron GT, creating a vehicle that sets a new standard for combining luxury with cutting-edge intelligence. AI plays a central role in enhancing the e-tron GT's performance, thanks to its dynamic driving system and energy management capabilities. These systems utilize AI algorithms to optimize the driving experience, ensuring precision, agility, and efficient power usage. Moreover, the e-tron GT's AI-powered driver assistance features add an extra layer of safety and convenience for the driver. With features like adaptive cruise control and automated parking, the vehicle offers a sophisticated level of assistance on the road. And with a personalized infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with smartphones, the e-tron GT delivers a luxurious and connected driving experience for its passengers. Overall, the e-tron GT showcases the transformative potential of AI in an electric luxury car, providing a harmonious blend of opulence, performance, and intelligent design. Porche Taken. The Porche Taken is a prime example of how AI technology can elevate the performance and efficiency of an electric vehicle. In 2023, Porsche has seamlessly integrated AI-driven technologies into the Taken, creating a vehicle that sets new standards for speed and intelligent design. With its advanced electric powertrain system and energy management capabilities, the Taken delivers an exhilarating driving experience while also prioritizing efficiency. Moreover, Taken's AI integration extends beyond performance to include advanced driver assistance features and a personalized infotainment system. With AI algorithms powering features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the vehicle offers a heightened level of safety and convenience for the driver. With a personalized infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with smartphones, the Taken keeps drivers connected and entertained on the road. Future developments and AI. In 2023, the automotive industry is experiencing a revolution thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, technology. AI is transforming various aspects of the industry, from vehicle maintenance to traffic safety, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. With AI-powered predictive analytics, vehicles can monitor their own condition, identify potential issues, and proactively alert drivers or service centers to address maintenance needs. Advanced driver assistance systems, driven by AI, are making roads safer by assisting drivers and leveraging real-time data to detect and prevent potential hazards. Looking ahead, the future of AI in the automotive industry holds immense potential, with the promise of self-optimizing and adaptive vehicles that continuously learn and evolve to provide a personalized and efficient driving experience. By 2023, electric cars have transformed into intelligent partners that enhance our lives on the road. With AI integration, these vehicles offer a personalized and seamless driving experience, learning and adapting to individual preferences and needs. These AI-powered cars also contribute to a more sustainable future with their ability to optimize energy consumption and integrate with renewable energy sources. Thank you for joining us at Top Tech, where we explore cutting-edge discoveries in the world of technology and mobility. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated and never miss any of our exciting discoveries. We look forward to bringing you more fascinating insights in the future. Until next time.